start to that left side.
Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Sydney Royal Flower and Garden Show. We have quite a forestry competition that's taking place down the middle of our pavilion this morning. So checking out their wonderful workers who are putting together the theme for this morning. So we'll be making our first presentation on the stage coming up at 10:30.
Wax candles made of honey. When I was young at the primary school, they gave us raw honey from the honeycombs, and we ate raw. During grade 6 you do that. They didn't tell us that you needed to be careful because it would burn. It was raw honey, so we ate it all. And it's up with Sorry. In this section we've got arts and crafts. I'm not quite sure what these are called, doilies or placemats. Finely woven. There are definitely a lot of creative people in Australia. Everything here is handmade. My wife used to do this stuff when I met her. I'm not quite sure what it's called, but let's have a look. Long stitch, that's what it's called. More hand knitted jumpers and beanies and blankets and scarves. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Go find the toilet first. Damn it.